Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome back to the English journey. Today, we're getting you through the airport in record time. I'm Anna.
And I'm Abel. We've got your boarding pass to fluency ready, so let's head to the gate.
Airports can feel overwhelming, especially when English isn't your first language. But here's the good news. You don't need to know everything. You just need the right phrases at the right time.
Exactly. And today, we're giving you those phrases. We'll move fast, keep it practical, and get you confident for your next flight.
Let's start at the very beginning. You've just arrived at the airport with your suitcase. Your first stop, the check-in desk. Abel, take us there.
All right. When you approach the check-in desk, the staff will smile and wait for you to speak first. Here's your opening line, and it's super simple.
Say, I'd like to check in. Notice we use I'd like, not I want. It's polite and natural.
Perfect. Now the staff will ask for your documents. You'll hear, "May I see your passport and booking confirmation?"
Your response? Hand them over and say, here is my passport. Simple. You can also say, here you go, or just smile and hand it over. They understand.
Now comes the baggage question. Listen carefully. The staff might ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
This is where beginners get confused. Let's clear it up fast. There are two types of baggage at the airport.
Number 1, carry-on. That's the small bag you take with you on the plane. It goes in the overhead bin or under your seat.
Number 2, checked baggage. That's the big suitcase. You give it to the airline and they put it in the cargo hold. You pick it up after you land.
So if you have a big suitcase, you say, "Yes, I have one bag to check." If you only have a small bag, say, "No, just carry on."
Let's practice this conversation together. Abel will be the check-in agent and I'll be the traveler.
As agent, "Good morning. May I see your passport and booking confirmation?"
Here is my passport, and here's my booking on my phone.
"Thank you. Do you have any bags to check today?"
Yes, I have one bag to check.
"Perfect. Would you like a window or aisle seat?"
Window, please.
"Great. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12 and boarding starts at 2:30. Have a great flight."
Thank you so much.
See? Not scary at all. Now you've got your boarding pass. Time to move through security.
Security is where you'll hear commands, not questions. The officers are keeping everyone safe, so they speak quickly and directly.
The first thing you'll hear is, "Empty your pockets." That means take out your phone, coins, keys, wallet, everything. Put them in the tray.
Next command, laptops out. If you have a laptop or tablet, take it out of your bag and put it in a separate tray.
You might also hear, "Remove your shoes" or "Take off your belt." Just follow what others are doing. Don't worry.
After security, check the big screens for your gate number. But here's the tricky part, gate announcements.
There are 3 key words you need to know. Boarding, this means they're letting passengers get on the plane. Delayed, this means your flight is late. Check the new time on the screen. Last call, this is urgent. It means the plane is about to leave.
Let's hear what a gate announcement sounds like. Abel, give us an example.
"Attention passengers on flight LH456 to Berlin. We are now boarding rows 15 through 30. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready."
Did you catch that? Now boarding and have your boarding pass ready. Those are your key phrases.
All right, Anna, we've checked in, we've made it through security, we're at the gate. Now comes the final challenge.
Immigration. This happens when you land in a new country. You'll talk to an immigration officer. They'll ask you questions.
Here's the secret. The questions are almost always the same. As officer. "Passport, please. What is the purpose of your visit?" As traveler. "Tourism. Where are you staying?" As traveler. "At the Grand Hotel in the city center." "How long are you staying?" As traveler. 5 days.
That's it. 3 questions. Let's break them down. Question 1, purpose of visit. Your answers could be tourism, business, visiting family, or studying.
Question 2, where are you staying? Give the hotel name or say with family or with friends.
Question 3, how long are you staying? Give a simple answer like 3 days, 1 week, or 2 months.
Pro tip, keep your answers short. Don't tell your whole life story. Immigration officers want quick, clear answers.
See? Super fast. And that's how immigration actually works in real life.
You've made it through the entire airport. Check-in, security, gates, and immigration. You're ready.
Before we land this episode, here's your power summary, the top 5 phrases to remember. I'd like to check in. Here is my passport. I have one bag to check. What gate is my flight? Purpose of visit, tourism. Write these down, practice them out loud, and trust me, you'll feel so much more confident at the airport.
And remember, airport staff are there to help you. If you don't understand, just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or "Could you speak slower, please?"
You've got this. Thanks so much for flying with us today on the English journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Fluent Tutor, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.